Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we have an unboxing. But before I continue with that, I'd like to point out that it's been quite a while since I uploaded the last video, but because I have been doing other stuff, I have been busy doing other things not related to videos, but hopefully we will have time to do more videos and bring you more content, not only about reviews and unboxings of products, but also some news related to the most important products, technology products. Let's begin with the unboxing. But before we continue, please subscribe and give me a like if you like the video. And remember, you are free to give me any comments so I can keep improving my videos. Okay, so let's begin with the most cool part, the unboxing. Before I continue, again, sorry for those birds you may hear. They're not mine, they're just outside. Don't we all agree that it is still beautiful to have birds outside singing or shouting? I don't know what they do. Okay, hands on the product. This is the Huawei Watch GT2, the 46mm watch. It is not an actually 2022 product because it was released in 2019, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't work anymore. I mean, I know it's a 2019 product, but it still does its job. It still is supposed to have updates. Well, the Huawei problems, I actually have a video talking about the Huawei problems with the United States and the bans, but that didn't really affect this product. So let's continue with the unboxing. I have a small picture of the watch, and with the default face that it's supposed to have, we have the product here. We have nothing on this side. Then we have some important stuff here. Well, I actually bought this one in Mexico, but I think that your watch comes with all these facts. The name of the watch, the model. I chose the matte black, is a wristband, actually a watch, okay? And it was made in China. We all know that, China products. Okay, here we have some more stickers. And on the bottom, we don't have anything. How do we open it? We're supposed to take these out, these two things out. I already took them out because I've already been trying to watch. And we just pull it up like this. Oh, looks pretty, doesn't it? I'll leave this right here. I don't think it messes up that much. Okay, and this is how your watch, well, I've already been using it, so it already has a watch face, but this is how it's supposed to come. We'll leave this aside for a little moment. And here comes the box. It is quite pretty, all right? It has this like little door that opens like this. Is very pretty. They worked a lot on their box because it is really pretty. Okay, we have here some logos, that the charger and the manuals that actually nobody reads. I haven't actually opened this cable because the charger, well, this is a charger. It's supposed to go down here. I'll show you later. It has a USB-C type port. So I actually use it with my computer's port. I don't actually recommend to use a big charger with this watch, but that's the one I use. And, well, I don't think it charges faster. It's just that I didn't want to open it. And here comes the cable. Let's see, chan. It's a USB to a USB Type-C cable. All right, so this is supposed to go inside here, just like this. And then you connect this. It doesn't come with a dock. Okay, let's put this aside too. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, just manuals. Let's take them out. Manuals, papers. Well, leave me in the comments. Do you agree that the companies actually give you tons of paper of how to use a product? I mean, it could be, well, this is a warranty card. Okay, I think it would be easier if they just put up a QR code on their leaflets like this with all the information, so they won't have to use all this paper giving you instructions that actually no one reads unless you have a problem. Well, because all of us just search for a video how to update your watch or how to connect your watch to your phone, right? Okay, let's just put everything back together and I'll be back when I finish. Don't you all agree that it looks kind of pretty? Well, this looks like a small, let me take this out, put it right here. This actually looks like a small bezel, but it's part of the body. It has a rubber band, not so much, not very impressive, not very elegant, but I mean, it's supposed to be like a workout watch. So if your wrist or your hand sweats a lot, you won't have that much problem with the band getting like stinky or something like that. Like if it was leather. We have an OLED display. It is a 1.39 inch OLED display. It's not the huge screen, but it doesn't look, well, in my case, I have a small wrist. It looks just perfect. I actually tried to buy the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, but it was too big for my wrist because I have a small wrist, as I told you, and this one fits perfectly with mine. We have our settings, drain thing, find my phone if it's connected to your phone, the stir button, alarms, and I already set this watch because I've been using it. So I actually set it the down button. Okay, so I actually already set it this watch because I've been using it. So lower button to go to the notification bar, but I don't have, well, I erased it all. Okay, this one is to turn on the screen, and if we leave it pressed, it just asks us if we want to restart our watch or turn it off. If we press this button again, we have the modes. Okay, we have workouts, different types of workouts, sleep, call logs, contacts, music, barometer, notifications, the weather, timer. I don't think I have it connected with my phone right now, so I won't put that. Okay, the flashlight. The flashlight just turns the screen very bright, and you just go back by pressing this button. Our earphones, because it has internal memory actually. Our display settings, our volume, because it has a small speaker on this side. I don't know if you can actually see it. It's right here. Has a speaker. All right, let me take this off so we can check it from the bottom. Okay, and here are all the things that are supposed to help us read our oxygen blood levels and our heart rates and more stress stuff, and also take track of our sleep. And these two small things are actually magnets that connect to the charger. And we just put it in here and it claps by itself. It's connected by the magnets. It doesn't fall off that easily, as you see. But actually, when you charge it, you just put it this way. So there's not actually a problem with it. You can charge it. And the battery, well, talking about the charge, actually, I love the battery of this watch. It can last up to 2 weeks, for real. 2 weeks. Obviously, you're not using all the modes that it has because that's going to drain your battery a lot. But normal usage, it can last up to 2 weeks. I'm not kidding you guys. 2 weeks of battery, a very pretty watch. Looks very pretty. Let me just put it on so you can see how it looks on my wrist. And you can actually check that I have a small wrist. Okay, and this is how it looks on my hand. Well, I think it looks well. I don't know what you all think, if it looks well or not. Okay, guys, and this would be all for the unboxing of the watch. Leave me in the comments if you want a quick review about this watch, talking about the specs, the complete specs, take into account all the modes we have for workout. We do have a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a like and subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you more stuff. Try to keep up actually with affordable things for people who want technology but don't want to spend all their money on it. So I hope you like it.